What's up guys, it's Carabella. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of stretching together. This is not yoga, it's just a little bit of stretching that I like to do to get my body flexible and mobile and just comfortable. No tense hips, no tense muscles, no tense joints. So if you're interested, go ahead and follow along. If you're new here, go ahead and click the subscribe button. Also don't forget to hit the notification bell so you know when I upload next. And let's start stretching. From the standing position, what you want to do is just go ahead and crouch down like this. Put your toes up off your heels and just lightly push your knees outward with your arms. So put your arms inside of your knees and just lightly press them outwards, widening up your hips. Open up your hips. It's okay to like rise up a little bit. Just open up your hips like this. Try to keep your back as straight as possible. So you see my back is pretty straight. Go ahead and keep your back as straight as possible. What I like to do after this is I like to just crawl forward from here. So what I'll do is, it's kind of like a downward dog. I'll just go forward, kick my legs back, keep my body up, and then I'll just lightly let my legs hang, and just like this. You're not working out, you're not forcing anything. You're just letting your legs kind of hang, dangle, do their thing. This is so good for your hips. You can go back if you want to, stretch out your back hamstrings. You can also go forward to get the back of your spine, get your lower back like this. Kick your toes up, look towards the sky. And I love this right here. This is like one of my favorites. You can even lift your leg up if you want to get a little yogi on it. I don't necessarily want to do that right now. This is such a good stretch. For this next stretch, we're also going to stretch our hips out. So we're just going to go ahead and get on our knees and then go here and lay into your chest and your stomach. Lay as flat as you can go. Once you get here, what I like to do is I like to take one arm and I like to come underneath my body and just go up like this and really push. You can even push up off the mat. But I like to stay on the mat, and you can feel it really good back there in the back of your arm, just like that. You feel your legs being stretched right here. My inner groin is being stretched. I feel my arms being stretched. And then what I'll do is I'll take the other side, and I'll do the same thing over here. And then you can even push up and back down. If you really want to take this stretch to the next level, you can even widen up your hips and push them down flat onto the rug and just open up your legs as well. This will really help stretch out your groin area. What I'll do here is I'll go into the froggy position, then I'll grab my feet and I'll push these open, just like that. Next, I'll take one leg and I'll come up here and I'll bring one back, and I'll just keep this toe pointed and that toe pointed as well, and I'll just lean forward. This feels so good along this area right here, hamstring. You can just feel it. You can even go up a little bit, and that'll help your back. Switch legs. Perfect. I'll also take a knee and I'll do these little hip thrusters. You just kind of pull your hips back and thrust them forward. Pull your hips back, thrust them forward. And then from here, you just want to take it down into this stretch. Grab your toe, and you can even pull yourself forward and go into this stretch. All right guys, so those are a few stretches I love to do. They're honestly so relaxing. They feel so good. Helps me with my mobility, just makes my body feel so great and ready for any type of movement. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Give me a big thumbs up if you did. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button if you're new, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.